Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is talk about two projects that you guys can get in right now and earn some free tokens. So if you guys do get something out of this, please like, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do. We have tons of videos and tutorials on this channel. And the reason I want to mention that is because in order to participate in these airdrops, you do have to educate yourself a little bit. So for example, in the first project we're going to talk about is Midnight. There is currently 12 days left in the scavenger mine. So you guys will be using these links. I'll go over it again for you. But we're going to be talking about a privacy focused chain, then a DePIN storage play. So guys, these are two opportunities where you can earn free crypto without having to pay anything. So keep in mind, nothing on this episode should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a freaking loose moose. But guys, comment down below if you've gotten in on any of these projects and which one out of the two, which one is it, Night or DeNet? Which one do you think will be more prosperous in terms of price? Okay, so this is your opportunity to make life-changing gains. So guys, hit up the link tree. There, not only can you pick up a hardware wallet, protect your crypto, but more importantly, you can use the link. So for Midnight, you have a link for Lace and then Midnight, the website. You're on the right website when you use the link tree, and it's quicker. You can do it from your phone. And there's also DeNet. So DeNet is going to be the first project we're going to talk about. Might as well get into it right away. So guys, use that link. In there, you will also receive free tokens. So what this is a DePIN storage play. So on my phone, I'm going to open it up. So all you're going to do is open up the app and tap scan to earn. So you're scanning and your level goes up and you can upgrade. So there you go. I just earned a bunch of tokens. Okay, so here, if I go, and a lot of this is because of you, of course, I am using an affiliate link, but there's also friends of friends. So if you guys bring people on, it's a big freaking Ponzi, it seems like. So guys, claim, and I'm at level 44, I believe. So if I go here, there you go. So 24 million. These are just like tokens. And I don't know if it's going to be like DeNet tokens or WN. I don't know how they're officially going to launch, when they're going to launch. But the reason I bring this up is because if you guys do not want to even put money into crypto, but you want to get some free tokens, this is how you do it. And you are in early. So some of you are probably at stage 20, 30, maybe 40. So here, if you go to upgrade, you can upgrade. I'm almost at level 45. So we're getting there. For this, you guys can also do the DeNet tasks. So things come up for the watchers everywhere. You can make a post on Twitter and you can earn a bunch of tokens. So if you guys want, if you're interested in that, go to the channel, Crypto Moose channel, watch these videos. Make your phone earn money. 100x DePIN crypto opportunity. It really is a 100x potential opportunity, okay? So there's that. I just came out the Midnight video, so let's dive into that one. But guys, before you do that, hit up the link tree. Go under 100x. Vanguard, this token went up again. So again, these are just speculative plays. BDAG could work out, but DePIN right now, especially for the fact that you don't have to buy anything, you just do it on your phone. You could be in early on a serious project. Okay. So speaking of serious projects, this one is definitely more of a mature project. I think it's going to be more successful, but you're probably not going to get the 100x gains. So if you want more info on this as well, I've got tutorials. So first, watch this this video is very good. I mean, I'm biased, but like it's pretty damn good. I did it, like an hour ago, just got it uploaded. It's $1 Midnight ? This video has a lot of good information in there on Midnight. So if you are in the scavenger phase, definitely watch that. On top of that, watch this video. It's called Midnight token phase 2 explained. Starts in 5 days. So watch this one. The one with 848 views, probably 1,000 by the time you're watching. It's the Scavenger Mine is Live Claim Tokens Now tutorial. That will teach you step by step how to do this. So if you go to the Glacier Drop, there's 3 stages. So phase 1, that is going to be the Glacier Drop. That has ended. Then there's phase 2. So remaining tokens, it's a scavenger hunt. You don't have to, there's no screenshot. So anybody can participate. Create a Lace wallet. I have a tutorial on it. And then go to the website. So I have that all in the link tree, and you mine. So you keep your browser open. I've got a bunch of tabs open. So I've got 400 here, 94, 81, 99, 80. So I've got quite a bit going on in terms of my midnight allocation. But it's very simple. Right now, I've noticed that the midnight allocation has gone down quite a bit, but that's okay. So that's just something to think about. So also in news of DeNet, we'll just throw it in, earn peak tokens. So there is I believe this is a partnership, right? I wonder if it's going to say it in here. I believe this is a partnership. So if you guys complete other tasks in the app, then you can earn some of that as well. So on top of that, for midnight, just wanted to go over a couple things just to make sure we have enough info for you guys. Guys, follow them on Twitter. But with midnight, there is the Midnight Summit. So November 17th to 18th, there's an entire summit going on for midnight. So day 1 is a deep dive into privacy at every level, from protecting individual rights to securing the digital future. Decode how privacy shapes blockchain governance and public life. Day 2 is an ecosystem day, so spotlighting the projects, etc. I don't know if Charles is going to be there, but you guys can check it out on the Twitter. So I just wanted to go over those 2 projects. And for those of you that want to get in on a project, maybe you're thinking to yourself, man, I missed every crypto opportunity. These are the ones that I'm doing right now. Okay, so I feel like I never got in early on a project. I still feel that way. I've only been early on a couple things, but not to this extent. I genuinely believe that this could be an opportunity to make, $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, who knows, $100,000 with just playing around on your phone. Okay, so something to think about, something that could really be life-changing. Let me know how many tokens you got. Let me know which one you're more bullish on, Midnight or DeNet. I think DeNet has more price appreciation. You can get more tokens. Whereas I think Midnight is just more of a sure bet, sure project. So guys, hit up the link tree. Use code Moose. Pick up a Tangem. Guys, support the channel. This is the best way. Protect your crypto and protect the Moose. It's the only way to keep this channel going. So with that being said, the Moose is loose. The Moose is loose. Cheers.